Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to solve the 120 chart puzzle. So this is similar to what we did in class when we had the arrows, and we started with a number, and then remember we put the arrows, and if we put two arrows, then we'd go to the left two. So hopefully you remember doing that in class. So this is going to be kind of similar. We're going to fill in the missing boxes like they would show on the 120 chart. So on here, you'll have your different puzzles, and then right next to it, you'll see a 120 chart to help you. So I decided we would do this one together. So the number that we see right here is 41. It wants to know what number goes right here. Is this the number that's right next to 41 on the 120 chart? No, it's 2 over. The one that's right here, it's not asking for us to tell them. It just wants us to know what's next to that. So let's go to our 120 chart and find 41. I want you to point to 41 with your finger. And then I'll highlight it. 41, right there. So it doesn't want to know what's next to 41. It wants to know what's next to that. So what number should that be? That's right. It should be 43. So I'm going to go back to my puzzle. And right here, I'm going to write 40. I'm going to write 43. All right, because this would be 41, 42, 43. All right, it wants to know what number should be below 41. What number should go in this box? When we go down on the 120 chart, what are we doing? That's right, we're adding 10. So we're going to go to 41, and we're going to go down 1 on the 120 chart, which adds 10. 51 is 10 more than 41. So 51, so I'm going to fill in 51 right here. All right, boys and girls. So if this one's 51, what do you think is going to go right here? It doesn't want to know what's next to 51. It wants to know what's next to that. 2 over 1. 53, that's right. So right here, I'm going to write 53. And we can double check our work right here, because we know that if a number is directly below on the 120 chart, it should be 10 more. Is 53 10 more than 43? Yeah, it is. The only number that changes is the number in the tens place. You're right. All right, boys and girls, this one might be a little bit more tricky. What do we think goes in this box right here? It might help us to think about what's below it. What number is in between 41 and 43? You're right, 42. So what should be directly above 42 on the 120 chart? 32. And remember, when we go up a row, it's 10 less. So this number should be 32. All right, and then what number should go right here in this box? Again, it might help us to think about what number should be right here. So 51, and then what's next? 52. So what number should go right here? Remember, we're going down, so it's going to be 10 more. Let's find 52. 10 more is 62. So right here, I'm going to write 62. All right, boys and girls, so yours will look exactly like this. I want you to fill in even the example that we did, and then solve the other 4 on your own. I'm excited to see your work. Hope you have a great day. Bye, friends.